Okay, listen pa. Find R for which the power absorbed by it is maximum, also find the maximum power. அப்போ இது வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் பவர் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் தியரம். ஸோ மேக்ஸிமம் பவர் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் தியரம்னா நீங்கள் என்ன சொல்லணும், தெவினின்ஸ் ஈக்குவலன்ட் சர்க்யூட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், VTH RTH கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், RTH ஈக்குவல் டு RL அப்படின்னு போட்டு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டெப் என்ன, டு ஃபைண்ட் RTH. To find RTH, you know the procedure. What you have to do? You have to replace the sources with their internal resistances, remove the load resistance, and you have to see the equivalent resistance at the load point. Now the circuit becomes, I am short circuit this 10 volt source and I am redrawing the circuit. And what about this 20 volt source? Voltage source has to be short circuited, current source should be open circuited, right? And I am removing the load resistance. I am removing. At this point I need equivalent resistance. How to find the equivalent resistance at this point? You come here, what about these two and these two? Are they in series or parallel or any other star delta? At this point, what about these two and these two? Parallel, because ends are connected. These two end. This is the end of these 2 ohm. And what about these 2 ohm? Both ends are connected. I am looking at here. Then these two are parallel. So 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. How much? 1 ohm. These two will come as like that. Then come to 4 ohm, 4 ohm. How they are connected? Parallel. 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4. 2 ohm. 2 ohm. You have to see at these points. From this point to this point I am travelling through this way. What about 2 and 1? Series or not ba? 3 ohm. What about these 2 and these 2? 4 ohm. I am looking at these points. Now the resistance 4 into 3 divided by 4 plus 3. 12 divided by 7, how much? Some 1.71, how much ba? 1.7143. This is RTH. Come to VTH, to find VTH. To find VTH, you have to remove the load resistance and you have to find the voltage at the load point. Then the circuit becomes, just remove the load resistance and find the voltage across the load point. $10 volt, 20 volt. Two ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. See, you have to measure the voltage across these 2 points. But these 2 points means you have to find voltage across 2 ohm and you have to find 4 ohms. That's all. If you want to find the voltage between these 2 points, either you can travel through this way or you can travel through this way. Because after this 4 ohm, everything connected is parallel. In parallel, voltage remains same or not. So you need not to worry about other things. You have to measure the 4 ohm voltage and 2 ohm voltage. This is the voltage between these 2 points, load point. So how will you find out the potential across these 2 ohm and these 4 ohm? You go through mesh analysis, I1, I2, I3. By Kirchhoff's voltage law, in mesh 1, minus 10 plus minus plus 2 I1 plus 2 I1 minus I2 equal to 0. 2 plus 2, 4 I1 minus 2 I2 plus 0 I3 equal to plus 10. This is equation 1 by KVL in mesh 2. Come to this mesh 2. I have assumed clockwise direction, so entry plus, leaving minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. I am starting from here, you can start at anywhere. I am starting from here. 2 I2 minus I1. I am writing mesh equation 2. Come here. Here only I2 is flowing, 2 I2 plus here also only 2 I2. When I am coming here, 4 I2 minus I3. So you consolidate everything. Minus 2 I1 plus 2, 4, 6, 10, 10 I2 minus 4 I3. There is no source here in mesh 2 equal to 0. So by KVL in mesh 3, come to mesh 3, you assign polarity based on current direction. You can start at anywhere. I am starting from here. 4 I3 minus I2, 4 I3 minus I2 plus 4 I3 plus 20 equal to 0. 0 I1 minus 4 I2 plus 8 I3 equal to minus 20. This is equation 3. Now you write the coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix will be like this: 4 minus 2 0 minus 2 10 minus 4 0 minus 4 8. What are all the unknowns? I1, I2, I3. Right hand side coefficients: 10 0 minus 20, 10 0 minus 20. Now you find I1, I2, I3. Find I1, I2 and I3. என்னம்மா 2.1 minus 0.7143 ampere, 857 ampere. Okay, now I need this path only. In between these two potential, in between these 2 points, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, and I have assumed a polarity like this or not. What about V2 ohm? V2 ohm equal to I2 into 2, I2 minus 0.7143 into 2 equal to minus 1.4286, minus 1.4286 volt. This is the voltage across these 2 ohm, minus 1.4286 volt. And coming to 4 ohm, V4 ohm equal to I2 minus I3 into 4, I2 minus I3, minus 0.7143 minus of minus 2.857 into 4. If you calculate this, you will get 8.5708. So, this is the voltage across these 4 ohm, 8.5708 ohm. So, I am traveling from this point to this point, and I am adding the potentials what are all I am seeing. From here I am starting, I am seeing positive sign. Inside you are having minus 1.42 volt, just you write as it is, and I am seeing positive side. Inside you are having 8.5708 volt. This is your VTH. So, VTH equal to 7.1428 volt. Are you getting this value? Pass.